one more time from the top.
Go for it.
One more time, because I'm getting into it.
Got like 8 minutes.
All right, What the Chuck, take one. How you doing? My name is Chuck Horton of What the Chuck Productions, and What the Chuck Productions is available for all your audio production needs. Been working closely with a group called 100 Hertz, and we've been recording and mixing tracks for the soon-to-be released What the Chuck Productions compilation EP and the yet-to-be-titled 100 Hertz album. Here's an example of what we've done so far. This first track is called The Last Battle. This next track is called Hello.
Hello, you should already know me, but you don't, so I'm gonna let the flow be into a guy through this night sky. Please fully recline and get quite high until the clouds. Hello, you should already know me, but you don't, so I'm gonna let the flow be into a guy through this night sky.
Feel free to hit me up at charles.horton1@yahoo.com or catch me on my webpage, www.whatthechuckproductions.wordpress.com, or give me a call at area code 619. Here's some more examples of my work. I hope you enjoy.